Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a discount code on Shopify or how to create a promo code on Shopify. The first thing you want to do once in your Shopify dashboard, you are going to tap on discounts in the left hand corner. Then from here, you are going to tap on create discount. Then you can see amount of products. So you can tap on that section right there. And from here, you can choose to either create a discount code. So you could add one right here by making one, or you could tap on generate and they will automatically generate one for you. After doing this, you can scroll down and you can enter the percentage that you would like to take off. So let's say, for example, 25%. And you can select the specific collection that you would like to offer the discount of, or the specific product. And you can search for the collection or the product right here in the search bar. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can select minimum purchase requirements. So you can set no minimum purchase requirements, or you can set the amount of products that a person would need to purchase before they can access the discount code. And after going through all of the settings, you'll simply tap on save in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.